Hello, Pavan. What can I help you out with today?
Hi, Alvin. I was wondering if you could help me with my security system.
Of course. Let's see what tools I can use to help you solve your problem. I'm going to use the drawing tool. Can you see the device that I've just circled?
You mean this one?
Yep, let's check it out. So it looks like you have a cable installed in the wrong place. I'm going to use markers to walk you through the steps to remedy it.
Wow, I see the indentations.
So, let's unplug the cable marked with the X and install it where I've placed the check mark.
Sure.
Perfect. It seems like your network is now working. However, I'm reading an issue with the rest of your security system. Let's see. Is your light turned on this board? Can you verify?
It doesn't look like it's on.
In that case, it might be a missing component. I'm going to pull up our components library from our enterprise cloud and synchronize a 3D model on your side. Let's see. Can you check if you have that component installed on the board, please?
I think I have it right here. Is it this?
Yeah. So let's take a closer look at the board. Can you install it where I've shown you, please?
Sure.
Awesome. I see your power is back on, and your system is good to go.
Great. Thanks, Alvin. Thanks for the help. I couldn't have done it without Sensei.